So now we are going to look into alerts. Okay, so these are alerts. Okay, so now in alerts, if you see, for example, I'm click the button to display an alert box. Okay, so what I will do, I will access this URL. I'm coming and clicking on this. When I click on this button, I can see an alert. Say this is an alert. Okay, so this alert has only one box, which is okay. So here you have to just do only one action where okay. Okay, but there is one more alert where you can have both okay and cancel. If you click on okay, you can see some message here. Okay, see, you press okay. Yes or no? When I click here, when I click on cancel, you can see message you pressed cancel. So now we will try to see how to handle these two alerts. Okay, okay. So now when we are working on this page, the focus of the driver will be on this page, web page. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now when there is an alert, then driver can't identify this alert. Then what we have to tell to driver?
Driver, we have to use switch to.
Yeah. So because whenever driver want to change his focus, then we have to tell to switch to. What we have to tell? Switch to. Okay. So now what we will tell to driver? Hey driver, switch to alert. Okay.
Yes.
You will see that how to do. So I will create a class. Alert. So did you tried making this as in different class by extending
Yes,
the
sir.
4 lines? Was it working?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. So now I will take the website, for example. So this is the website. Okay, so now I'm going and accessing this website alerts. Okay, alerts.html. So now here, so first what we have to tell to driver, open this URL. Once you open the URL, we'll be into this screen. Then we have to tell to driver, click on this button. Okay, so I'm going inspecting. When I inspect this, you can see this button. Okay, this is the HTML of this button. So I have to inform to driver, click on this button. So if you see, I'm having class. Okay.
Okay.
So what? So I can locator I can use here?
Expert.
Can we use expert? Can I take a class? So here I'm having class. It is having two names. I can take only one even if I want. No?
Yes, as a
Context.
Exactly.
Anis, can we use here the link text as well in case we want? Because click the button to display on alert.
See, for link text, it is anchor A we need.
Okay.
Okay, and but you can use just text by giving
text
this.
Here. Okay.
You can use. Okay. So now tell me how to use
/
button.
Why button?
Button is a
Tag name.
HTML tag.
Very good. Very good.
Open brace.
@
Contains
contains.
at the rate. Open braces at the rate.
Very good.
Class
Class.
comma.
Class comma. Very good.
Yeah.
Because it is contains, we have to use comma.
Contains, yeah.
See, is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Even I can use a whole also. Okay, no problem. Okay, but
Okay.
I will not use whole because there will be space in between. So I will use this. I will tell driver dot find element by dot XPath. So here it's dot click. Okay, so I'm doing dot click. Very good. Okay, so when I'm clicking, I will get a pop-up. So this is called alert. So now I will tell to driver, hey driver, now switch your focus to
Pop-up.
alert.
Alert.
Okay, switch the focus to
Alert.
alert. So how to tell driver dot
Switch to
dot
alert.
alert. Clear?
Yes.
Dot. So there is only one button, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So for example, whenever the alert comes, we will tell driver click on OK, means accept. What is that? Accept. So for alert, we'll be having two things. One is accept, one is dismiss. Dismiss means cancel. Accept means okay. So we'll tell accept.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you see here, there is some message also, right? Alert.
Yeah.
I am an alert box.
Alert.
Can we try to get that information? Yeah.
Yes.
So it is like I will tell to driver dot switch to dot alert dot get text. Get text. Okay. I'm trying to get the text of that alert from the driver. Okay. Informing to the driver. So I can just, for example, I'm giving a variable. And then it is a string.
String.
Yeah. See, this is, I'm trying to get this text
Yeah.
of this alert. So it is a string. Okay.
Yeah.
So no.
Yes.
So now here I can print that.
Yes. Text message.
Okay. Shall I run this?
Yeah.
So what it will do? First, it will try to click on that button and it will try to get the text of the alert and then click on OK. Because this alert is not having dismiss. Dismiss means cancel. Okay. See, yes or no? It was pretty fast. So I will just give wait statement. Yeah. I will just give thread dot sleep for 3 seconds so that you can see difference. Yeah. Because it was very fast. And also I will give driver dot close. Why I'm giving driver dot close?
To close the window.
So it will close the window always, else I have to manually close every time. Okay.
Yes.
See, just clicking on that. Very good. Now it is waiting for 3 minutes and then clicking on OK. Clear. And also here you can see this. I am alert box. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. Very
Yes.
good. This is for script to handle alert with
One button.
OK button. Very good. So now I will write one more. Script to handle alert with OK and cancel. So now what I have to tell to driver, I have a driver access this website, then go and click on this button. Okay. Because under this button only we have to click here to see an alert which has both. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. So now here I have to identify this button.
Right.
This link to click. So inspect. So this is the one. Okay.
Yeah.
So see, this is having hyperlink. Ruchika,
Yes.
it is
Yes.
hyperlink.
Right. Hyperlink.
Okay. Can you tell me how to
Link is, we can use link the doc.
Link.
/, the, yeah, alert is in.
Or we can use
Alert
this
with
link text,
this one.
this one. Or can somebody tell me how to find all the three and then click on second one? If I
All
want to
the-
find all the three,
What all the three?
You
Anis?
spec navigate to the page.
see, I'm having 1, 2, 3. Son, no.
Okay,
Yes.
yes,
I want to find all the three.
okay.
I want to export where you can find uniquely all the three. And
First
then
we
I can
We
click.
have to identify the parent.
We have to go to the parent. node.
Okay,
Parent.
correct, right?
Yeah.
So what is the parent? So this is single, yes or no?
Yes.
This is first one. This is
Yeah.
third one.
Yes.
This is first one. This is second one. This is third one. These are our LIs. Okay.
Allies, right?
Individually. Now, if I want to find its parent, this is the parent. Yes or no?
Yes, right.
Yes.
What is the parent?
You
Parent.
UI.
Shall we try to find
Yeah.
Shall we try to find a unique?
Yeah.
So /UL. UL is a
tag name.
Tag name.
Okay. So now here for this tag we are having
Class.
classes, right?
Classes, right?
You can take something now tab. I will just take something now tabs. Okay. I can take anything. I can write. Okay. I will just
Okay.
try first with this. So tell me contains. Very good. At the rate as
Comma.
comma.
Anis, you have to remove at the rate from starting
Before the
contains.
After the
Okay. Correct. Okay. Fine. See.
One element.
Okay.
Yes.
One
Yeah.
element. Okay. So now
Yes.
here, if I give /li, now what happens?
It will
goes
show
to first.
Show the
Element.
three elements.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good.
Yeah.
In this, which element I want?
You want
Second
second one.
Second one.
Second.
For dragging, yeah, two.
See, yes or no?
Right.
Can I give this and I ask my driver to click on this?
Yes.
Yes.
So I will tell driver dot find
Find
element
element.
by dot xbar.
Find
See,
elements, right?
no. I'm giving directly one element right
One
here.
element.
See, I'm
Okay,
not giving
okay.
li. I'm giving li of 2.
Two. Yeah.
See,
Okay.
here you can write XPath however you want, but you have to write in such a way that it is identifying uniquely. Either you can go from parent to child or directly to the child. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Dot click. Okay.
Click.
Okay, fine. So after clicking on this, I have to tell to driver,
Driver
click on this button.
This button.
Extra.
Sorry.
I have a doubt. If we give the number 2, does it takes us to or?
This one, huh?
Yeah.
So this is array.
It starts from 0 to 0, 1, 2, right? So it has to be 1.
See, we are identifying here, right? See what is
Yeah.
taking.
Okay.
When I give 2, it is selecting this, right?
Okay.
Okay. So you can just verify using crow path. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm trying to click on this. For this, this is the element button, and here we can use. For example, now we already tried class, right? Shall we use a text?
Yes.
By taking this text, huh? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me now. See, I'm trying to make different. Okay. To make people practice. Okay. Okay.
//
Okay.
button bracket
Button. Okay.
open braces button.
1 minute.
Okay.
So, okay. Button.
Open braces.
Text.
At the rate. No, at the rate, right?
No at the text.
Stop.
Bracket. Comma. Is equal to. Sorry.
Equals to single quote.
So like this we can use.
Yeah.
Confirm. Yes.
See, one element. Yes or no?
Okay.
So now Even here we can give like this only. Yes or no? Even here, instead of giving, we can give alert with okay and cancel. Also we can
Yes.
give. Okay, but different methods we are trying. Driver dot, find element, by dot. See, based on whatever locators you are having, based on that information, you can use anything. Huh?
Yeah.
Dot. Click.
Click. But you should be familiar with all the different styles, how to use. Okay. See, even if all the elements having IDs, in real time you'll use only IDs. But while practicing, you try to practice different XPaths, different ID. Okay. Because ID using ID is very simple. Okay, we have to learn how to use very complex things also. Okay, whenever there is nothing available. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so now what I will do, I will click here. Okay,
Okay.
after that I can get this text. Okay, how to get this text?
Driver
Driver dot
switch to
element.
switch to
No. Alert. Alert.
why alert?
because we
We
are
have
It's
to
alert
give the
pop-up, right?
focus on the
Focus
alert.
on the alert.
Exactly. So now the driver has to change his focus to alert. Alert
Alert.
dot.
not
Get text.
Get
Okay,
text.
because I want to get the text on the alert. It is okay.
Yes.
So again, I can give here something. Text message one. So I will just comment this block which I have already executed. So now text message one is equal to, and what is the data type?
String.
String.
Very good. Okay.
Yes.
Message box, very good. So now I have to click on accept.
Yes.
Then what?
Driver dot switch
dot
to
switch
Driver dot switch to
alert.
dot alert.
dot alert. Dot accept. Dot accept.
So in interview, if they ask how will you handle alerts, then what you will tell?
We have to switch.
We have to
focus on the alert.
switch to that alert pop-up. Then we need to either accept or dismiss that.
Exactly. Okay. So how to
Yeah.
handle? Simple. We will inform driver to switch to alert, and then we'll do the action. What action? Either dismiss or accept. Okay, see, it is giving me the text, and it is also. How you saw? It was very fast. Fine.
Yeah.
So now, if I want to dismiss, okay, see, even if you see, after clicking on OK, you can see some message. The message is you pressed OK. Okay, so can we validate this one also to see if OK is pressed or cancelled? So, but this is not inside the alert. This is outside the alert. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now I want XPath of this.
P8.
Okay. I want the XPath of this then.
P and
ID.
It is having ID. See, we are having
Yes.
ID demo. So directly I can take the ID and get text. Okay. So I can tell driver dot find element
by dot.
dot ID and then dot
Click.
dot
Get
text. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what I can do? Either I can directly give system.out.println, it will say, or I can use to
Create a
some variable
use a
a string variable and save them.
and then I can save that. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, even we can write if condition to validate this message is correct or not. Yes or no? You all know how to write if conditions, how to validate. Okay. So I will just give thread dot sleep so that you can see some. So you want me to write if condition or you can write?
We will try.
We'll write.
Very good. 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 See, it will click on the second button and then it will, but it was very fast, right?
Yes.
I think I give
Thread two.
before accept only I give. Okay, fine. But we can see you pressed okay. Okay. Now here I will give dismiss this time. When I give dismiss, will it come? You click, you pressed okay. Will it come?
No.
No.
So here
You
I will not
pressed
give accept.
cancel.
Instead of that, I will give dot
Dismiss.
dismiss. So I will just run. I'm not changing the tag. We will see what happens. Tidy, what message will come. Okay. So it is opening. It is max loading. It is maximizing. Then it will click on the second link, and then you pressed.
Cancel.
Okay, clear.
Yes.
This is how we will handle. Okay. Now, here if you see, there might be different alert where alert with text box. Okay. So where I can click here, so we can enter some data and then click on OK. So this is also a type of alert box. Yes or no? So now
Yes.
what you have to tell to driver, enter some value here and then click on accept. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Can you try this? Yeah.
Yes.
So you have tell to driver, switch to this alert, send key some value, and then see what you can do. You can try to get this also text, and then
Yes.
you can try to enter some value here and then click on
Okay.
OK. Will you try this?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, very good. So now, for example, see my test is very fast. Yes or no? I was unable to see whether really alert has opened or not.
Okay.
But I want to take some proof. I want some screenshot. What I want?
Screenshot.
Then we can take the screenshot, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So what I will do here, after clicking on alert, okay, I will take a screenshot for my evidence. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I have to tell to driver?
Take a screenshot.
Driver, take screenshot. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm telling to driver. Okay, so I'm telling driver. So now I will make the driver to take screenshot. Okay.
Okay.
So what I have to just wrap the driver, just to take mentioning take screenshot. Okay.
Okay.
Take screenshot. See, I just wrote to take and then I gave control space, automatically it got. Okay. So I'm just making that take screenshot. I'm just putting in the bracket.
And this is a class take screenshot.
That is a wrapper class.
Wrapper class. Okay.
So we are just wrapping the driver to take screenshot. Okay.
Right.
The left hand side of an argument must be a variable. Okay, fine. So take screenshot dot get. So we'll just give to a variable. It's telling we need to save that to a variable. For example, I will just screenshot. I'm just giving a variable screenshot. Okay, and what type it is? Get screenshot as output file, output type output type. So when we are taking, what output type we want?
String.
No. Output type should be as a file, right? Yes or no?
File. Yes.
Whenever we take a screenshot, we'll tell it as a file. Okay.
Okay.
So now if you see here, what does it return?
Yeah, screenshot.
Whether this will, for example, it will take a method of file. It is a method of
File.
file. So we'll just import this.
File.
We'll just import one method text web driver is undefined for this alert. Okay. So for alert, it will not accept. For alert, it is not accepting to take a screenshot. Okay. It is not accepting for alert to take a screenshot. Okay.
Okay.
Because when alert comes, the window will be, the background window will be like it will be like hidden. If you see sometimes for alerts, when I click here, the background, it will not be having control of the page because it will be background, right, hidden. Okay.
Yes.
So what I will just do for as of now, for telling this screenshot concept, I will just take this page. Okay.
So we cannot take a screenshot for alert, right?
Yeah, we can take, but whatever now I'm telling,
Okay.
the take screenshot will not work. We have to take by giving coordinates. There is some
Okay.
concept.
Plugging. Okay.
Yeah, we have to. If we Google, we will get some code. We can take using Robotium script. We can take.
Okay.
So by giving coordinates of this window, we can take. Okay.
Okay.
For example, I will write this because switch to alert, it will not work. This. So I will go here and I will. So because it is already switching. Okay. So I will just go somewhere which text we had earlier. For example, mouse actions, I will go. Okay. I'm just typing here, right? I'm just clicking right. I will try to give here. Web driver is undefined for the type mouse action. There is something wrong here. File screenshot is equal to take screenshot driver dot get screenshot output file. Just 1 minute. Just checking. So whatever I need should be correct. Take screenshot. It's the same, right?
Screenshot is operator. Okay.
Same, right? Whatever we wrote.
Yeah.
File.
Anis,
You have to
actually
put
the
the
bracket, you have
this.
to put one more.
Okay, correct. We started here, but we
Yeah.
Okay. Clear. So I will just know whether is that for alert or we'll try 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, it's good that we are able to take. Okay, it was my perception like that we can't take. Okay. So this is so now this is we'll be having this as a screenshot. Okay. So now this driver will hold that screenshot. Okay. Now after holding that screenshot, we have to tell that to move that screenshot, whatever driver has taken, to our system, right? So that we have to tell after taking the screenshot, you save it in somewhere.
Okay.
Then only I can open that and see. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I will tell So that's screen. So I will tell files dot copy. Okay. I'm telling after taking the screenshot, copy that screenshot. Okay. So what is that variable? It is a screenshot.
Screenshot.
Then what I have to tell? I have
We
to
have
give
to
the
give
path.
the path location.
Okay. For example, I will give the path of our project. Okay, so I'm giving this. Let's see what happens. I'm giving the path of my project. Okay. I'm giving till here India batch. Okay. So I'm telling you go on save in this path.
Okay.
What I'm telling what to save the screenshot, whatever we have taken. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now.
Where is it?
And here, if you see, it will take file and output stream. Okay, file already we gave the screenshot. Okay, that is the file, whatever the driver is taking. Here
Okay.
it is output stream. Okay, and the output stream, whatever we are taking, we have to save the file here, right? So we have to just write it is a new file. Okay. File of bracket, here one more bracket. Clear? Okay. So what we are telling? First we are telling driver take screenshot. Okay. So this is a wrapper class. We are wrapping this driver to a take screenshot. Okay.
Okay.
Then we are telling driver take screenshot and get the screenshot as output file. Okay. So here we are telling and copy that file to a directory. Okay. Now when it is copying, it has to give some name, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
So what name? We have to mention that name also. For example, I'm giving testing, and we have to give the extension, the format, whether it is text file or Word file or Excel file, what it is. It is PNG file. Okay. Okay. So now the screenshot will be saved in the name of testing.png. Okay. In this folder. Shall we run this and see what happens? So if I go to this folder, India morning batch, there is no testing.png. Okay. We will run this and see what happens. See, yes or no? So I open it. It's taking time to load. See, it's telling you pressed cancel. Yes or no?
Yes. Okay.
Clear. So this is a screenshot. So whenever you're writing automation, you will take the screenshots whenever there are some failure cases automatically. And then you can by seeing that screenshot, you can use that screenshot as test evidence also. Okay. Clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fine, right? So now even second time I'm running the same. What I'm doing? Second time also I'm running the same script. When I run the same script, again it will create the one more file with the same name if I don't change the name. Yes or no?
Yeah.
In that case, what happens?
Overwrite.
It will overwrite. Okay. So now here, if you see, the time is 6:38. Okay. So now if it overwrite, the time will change to 6:39. See? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if I open, it remains same. Clear?
Okay.
So this is how we can take the screenshot. Okay. So why it is very important to take the screenshot is Why?
If the
For the
developer
evidence,
rejects
we will
the bug, we have to
validate
show
the
the
result.
Yeah, whenever we will take the screenshots,
Mhm.
wherever it is failure cases. Okay,
Okay.
clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good, very good.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Here you told that it's a wrapper class, right?
Yeah, yes.
We use the wrapper class whenever we want to change the data type of that variable.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Where we will change the data type. So this file is the data type here.
See that concept wrapper class is to make that to behave like that. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So when you give in and you are telling wrap that in a string, the int will be behaving as string. Here we are telling
Yes.
driver take screenshot. So now we make the driver to behave as to take screenshot, take a photo. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So now I was telling that so what we will do, I will take this from here. Okay. And then I will before here I will write. Okay, so this is on alert. Yes or no?
Yes.
You all see when it is normal web page, I was able to take screenshot. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now when I click on this, I will be getting some alert. We will try to take the screenshot of the alert. Okay.
Okay.
So now it is 6:41. We will see what happens. So for normal web page, it was able to take the screenshot. Now when we go to the alert, we'll try to find. It was very fast. We'll just put some weight. Here we'll put weight. Okay, so after going to that alert, we'll wait. Okay, so if you go here, it is telling there is some error also, right?
Yeah.
It's telling
Unhandled section.
unexpected alert open. Press a button. Press a button. Press a button. But it is unable to take the screenshot. Yes or no? See, it is not updating. It was our last execution 6:39. Still, it is same. Yes or no?
Yes.
It is unable to take. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if I remove this code and again place this after closing the alert. Okay. So here I'm closing the alert. So now if I give this script here, we will see what happens. Now the time is 6:43. Okay, my script is successful now. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now if I go, it should be 6:44. The time should have updated to 6:44. See? Yes or no?
Yes.
So on normal web page, it is able to take the screenshot, but on the alerts, it's unable to take the screenshots. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, will you people try to find how to take screenshot on alert?
Yes.
Can you people try to Google and try to find?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll see who will find. Okay. So you know what to Google and search?
Mhm.
What you'll ask Google?
Selenium
How
program.
to take a screenshot on alert in Selenium?
Yeah, you can try. Okay.
Okay.
You will see. Fine. Very good. So now there is one more concept which is called Windows handling. What is that?
Windows.
handling.
So what is that window handling? See, now switch to, for example, we know how to handle whenever there is frames, whenever there is some mouse actions, whenever there is alerts. Okay. Now, if you see here, my requirement is when I click on this button, okay, a new window will open in a new tab. What is happening? The new window is opening in a
New tab.
okay. When I go here and click on this button, my new window will open in a new page. So no. Okay, but my driver focus will be only on this page. You agree?
Yes.
When my driver is opening this website, his focus will be only on this. So whenever it is iframes, I am telling switch to iframe. Whenever it is alert, switch to alert. But here it is a new window, new tab. Yes or no?
New
Yes.
tab.
So this is opening in a different tab. So now, for example, I want to get this text.
Mhm.
If I want to tell to driver, go and get this text or get this URL. Then this is in a new tab. Then how? Driver can't identify this. Yes or no? Because this is not in that same page. This is in different page. Then
Link.
I have to tell to driver, switch to new tab. Yes or no?
Yes.
But there is no switch to new tab.
Yes.
If I tell driver dot switch to dot alert, I'm having. Okay. But
Okay.
window also I'm having. Okay. And here, what I have to give? Which window? What I have to give for window?
The second tab one.
See, because it is expecting, window is expecting some string. Yes or no? See, this is a window method.
Okay.
But it is expecting string. What string value I have to give?
Title.
See, first to get the title, you have to get the title, right?
Yes.
Yes. Then title. Yeah. New tab.
URL of the next tab.
Okay. So every window will have a unique ID. What?
Nick ID.
Every window will have a unique ID.
Yeah.
Okay. So now what we will try to do is we will try to find the ID of both the windows. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, this is window 1. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Means this is
Yes.
actual window which driver is working. When I click here, it is opening one more window. So this is second window. So you just think that this is parent window and this is child window. Okay. So what we will try to get? We will try to get an ID of this parent window and this ID of this child window. Whenever you want to do action on the child window, you will tell, hey driver, switch to child. Whenever you want to do back action on some parent, then you will tell switch to parent. You're getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will write. So now I will access this URL. So this is a concept called Windows handling. What is this?
Windows handling.
Okay. So I will create a, for example, I will just create a new class and I will create something base class. Base test I'm giving. Okay. Already based in. I'm just giving. So in this base test, what we are having? Okay.
Yes.
I'm having my driver. Huh? New Chrome. Okay. Even I can give the URL also here. Yes or no? So I'm having system properties and then I can give this URL also. Driver and this two also I can give. So I go to base test. Okay. I can give like this. And this is URL is a, so URL depends. Huh? URL
Yes.
will vary. Okay. So I don't want, I will pass it as a variable URL. Okay. And then here I will tell my
URL.
driver should accept
URL.
string URL. Okay. Clear. So now whenever I write a class, for example, window handles. So I will go and extends to base test. Okay. Now here I
Create
will
an
call
object.
which method it has my driver. Yes or no?
Okay.
See here. See, till now we saw we can call the methods of any class by creating an object. But here, without creating an object also we can call. We will see what happens. Okay. Give me some error.
Double slash.
It is correct. Now it is loading. Okay. Okay. Yes or no? So I'm just giving my URL. Okay. Here. So for example, if you want different URL, if you want alerts URL, okay. So you can give directly this. So going forward, I don't need to copy the 4 lines. I can just call the method my driver, and then I can give the URL which driver I want. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. See here, I'm not creating the object of the class because even without creating an object, I can call because I'm having the classes in the same package. Okay. Because it is a public. Because I have created the base test with public. Okay. Public method.
Static.
Public static void main. Okay. I removed static. See now, see, it is giving error.
Okay.
So it is telling, hey, now what I have to do?
Create an object.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
So this is better, right? If you use like this, no need to create object every time.
Yes.
Okay. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So now going forward, I will not use 4 lines. I will just call this and give the URL simple. Okay.
Okay.
So now, this is how you people also did.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
they have
very good.
added driver also as one of the parameters. Driver name.
Driver name is a browser. Browser.
Yes, browser.
Yeah, very good. You can do that. Okay. Fine. And did you execute by giving one time Chrome, one time Firefox? Did you execute?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Super. This is how we work. Okay.
Yeah.
In real time also. Okay. Fine. So now what we are trying to do, after opening the URL, this is the URL, and then I'm telling click on this button. Yes or no? By default, the first one is selected. So I'm telling click on this button. So to click on this button, okay, we can take help of this class.
Button info.
Okay. So I will take contains. We'll take / button contains class.
Comma. Close the brace.
Okay. But there are two elements. Okay. But fine. But there is some button which is hidden. Let's see which one is that. There is no 2, there is 1. There is no 0 also. It is just hidden somewhere. So no problem. We can use this. We remove this and we will use. We will try whether it is doing action or not. Okay. So there is only one button. But one button thing. It is hidden. Okay. So don't worry. We will use this. We will tell driver dot find element. See, but here my driver is not identifying.
Yeah.
Son, no. Why? So did you try this?
Yeah, actually I tried, sir. We have to place the driver variable here, like by giving the web driver
So you have to
static.
place here, right?
No, above the class and yeah, above the main.
Here.
No, yeah.
So you're telling here you have to place.
Yeah, static web driver.
But without that, can you try?
Yeah, it shows me error and it tells me
No,
that
it did not come without that.
Say give driver is equal to. You tried this, right?
no, yeah, only
No, static
only
web driver driver.
static web driver. That's it.
If we define this in that class, it is not required in the base test class.
I think here already we are giving right web driver is equal to son.
But we didn't give it as
But
static.
it is static.
See here we are using as a
Yeah.
static. Why we are using as static? Because whenever we want to
Use static
Use
method.
driver.
A variable.
for example one. So recently which one we took? We took just now, alerts. Because we are removing WebDriver here, okay? Then we are using, but here I'm having this, right?
Inside the method, yeah.
And then
It is not taking, sir, out of the class.
okay, fine. I will tell one more concept tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
What to do. So as of now, I will just do whatever you did, okay? We'll go to base test, and then you want me to add here, right?
I think.
In main, we have to remove WebDriver.
Mm.
The base
Correct,
class.
correct.
Yes.
Now you will go here and I will do driver dot
Yes.
find element, and here I can give my export.
By dot export.
By dot.
Correct.
In 2 times. What click?
Yeah. Dot click. Okay, so it will click on this button. Now it is going to next window. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now I have to tell to driver. So first, before clicking, I will tell to driver to. After what we have to do after tell, we can try to get the Windows IDs. Okay, what we have to do? We have to click on
Windows.
We have to get the window IDs. Okay, so now here how many windows are there?
2.
2.
Okay, So first window will be parent, second window will be child. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So now I will tell driver dot get window handle. What? Get window
Handle.
And
handles. Okay. And I will try to save that in a variable. For example, it is a window. Okay. I'm just giving a variable name as window. Now, so what data type it is? So it can be in the format of set string. So I'm just copying and pasting that. Okay. Now I'm just importing that. So now this window will have multiple. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't know. Okay. It will save all. Now we have to iterate among all. Okay. To iterate. So you all remember collections.
Yes, sir.
So we are using this, right? Set.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I have to iterate. For iterate, what we have?
For loop.
First we
So
have to focus.
we have to write iterator. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you all remember.
Yes.
Yeah. So first I will take this variable window. This has multiple windows. I will write window dot iterate. What? Iterator. Okay. Window dot iterator, because I have to iterate among all the windows, list of windows, whichever it has a driver has opened. Okay. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
I'm giving a variable name. Okay. And now what type of it is? It is a iterator string. So I will just copy. I'm just giving a variable name, anything. Okay. And then I will import this Java util. Okay. So now here, what I did, I'm telling, hey driver, get all the window handles. Okay. And then it will get all. It can be 2, 3, 4. We don't know. Okay. Now I am telling to iterate among each. Okay. So whenever I'm iterating, my focus will be inside or outside?
Inside.
Outside.
My focus will be outside.
Outside.
First time. Okay. So to go inside, what I have to tell?
I dot next.
IT dot next. Exactly. Okay. So when I make IT dot next, now the focus is on first window. Okay. So what is my first window? I will make it as a parent. Yes or no?
Yes.
And what it is?
String.
It is a string. Okay. Clear. So I'm telling string. Okay. Now I want, if I give again IT dot next, now it will go to
Second.
second. Okay. Very good. So I can make that as a
String
string
child.
child is equal to, okay. Now even I will just print this. Parent. Again child. Okay. So shall I run this and see
Yes.
what it does? So now it will open the web page. It will click on that button. Then you can see one more new tab is opening. See, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now there are two windows. Okay. So this is the parent ID and this is child ID. See, this will vary every time. For every execution, this will vary. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So now I have to tell to driver. Now currently, what is the focus of my driver? Where is my focus of the driver?
Inside the child.
No. Parent. He opened parent or child? No. He did some action in parent, child open. So
Okay.
still where is focus?
Parent.
Okay.
Parent, yes or no?
Yeah.
So now, for example, I have to tell to driver, go and get this text. Go on.
Get this text.
Get this text. For this, we want to find the web inspector web element. So we are having something like this.
H1.
What we are having?
H1 tag.
H1. Okay. So, or we can go from parent and this H1. Okay. Yes or no? Can we write like this using parent?
Yes.
And then go to
H1.
This one, okay. So here I can just write contains the center. We will try. So if you want to give here text, you have to give whole text. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
I don't want to give whole text because I want to capture the same text. So I
Okay.
will not use that. I will give div contains.
Class. So you have to put the contents
Class
after
is
the
equal
contents.
to-
Equals to
Yeah, contains
Class come.
Come.
Huh?
Singing.
Brace.
Slash H1.
correct.
Yes.
Yes.
7 elements.
Slash.
H1.
H1.
Okay, very good. See, I'm getting exactly this. Yes or no?
Yes.
I can take this. So now I will try driver dot find element by
By
dot x path, and then I am telling this is my x path dot what I have to tell dot
Get.
get text.
exactly get
Get
text because I'm trying to get the text, and then I can save to a variable, and then I can print. For example, I'm telling message is equal to,
String.
and it is a string,
String.
and then I can print that. So for tomorrow, you are having two tasks. One is to click on alert where you can enter message and click on OK.
Okay.
Yes.
Now there is one more, how to take a screenshot of alert. Okay,
Yes.
Yes.
fine. Now shall I run this?
Yes.
So now
Yes.
I'm telling driver, go and use this. Okay, but we know that there is one element is uniquely identifying. No problem for us. Okay,
Okay.
but how? But how to take?
I have
Yes. Yeah, yes.
Shift the focus.
See, now still the focus is on parent only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
We are not telling to change the focus to child. We will see whether
Yes.
it will be able to get the text or not.
Okay.
What it is telling? It's telling no
No
such
such
element,
such
unable
element.
to locate the element because this element is not available in the parent.
Right.
Okay. So now what I have to tell to driver, a driver
Mhm.
dot switch to dot
Window.
window. What?
Window.
Window.
It is window, right? Different window. What is
Yeah.
that window?
Child.
Child window. Okay.
Okay.
Now shall I run this?
Yes.
So now I'm telling a driver, go to this window and then get me the text of that element. So it is clicking, it is opening new tab. Now see, it is taking this. Clear?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. How it is taking? Because we are telling switch to.
Switch to child.
Child.
Okay. Now where is the focus of my driver?
Child.
On the child window.
Okay. Now if I tell to driver click here, we'll be able to click.
No.
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 Why?
We have
Because it
to
is in the
Because
child.
it's on the
focus on the
child window.
parent window.
Child.
So the focus is on
Child
Child.
window.
Child
window.
window.
child window. So I will try to click on, I will inform driver to click on this. Okay, we will see what happens.